Yes, today on 16th May 2020, we have come up with another video pertaining to class 12 subject IP, and the topic is cyber crimes, types and laws governing cybercrime. In this topic, we will understand what are cyber crimes, what are its types, that means what are the activities which fall in the preview of cyber crimes, and the laws governing cyber crimes, that is laws which help the authorities to deal with these cyber crimes. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher, BHSS Trugmala. Now look, what are cyber crimes? Cyber crime or computer oriented crime is a crime that involves a computer and a network. So cyber crimes are those crimes which originate through or are done through computer and its associated network. Cybercrime may be defined as the offenses against individuals or group of individuals with a criminal motive to intentionally harm the reputation of the victim. So cyber crimes includes those offenses against individuals or group of individuals which have criminal motive to harm the reputation of the victim. So harming the reputation of the victim through a network is referred to as cybercrime, or cause physical or mental loss, mental harm. So cybercrime includes physical or mental harm to the victim through these computer oriented crime, or any financial loss directly or indirectly using modern telecommunication networks. All these offenses fall in the purview of cyber crimes. It includes harming the reputation of the victim, or causing physical or mental harm to the victim, or causing financial losses directly or indirectly using modern telecommunication networks like emails, mobile phones, and other networking features. Cybercrime, especially through the internet, has grown in importance as the computer has become center to commerce in entertainment and government. Now look, computers in today's world has grown in importance in manifold. Today computers are used excessively in commercial activities, in entertainment industries, and in government. In government, I will give you examples of Aadhaar cards, PAN cards, electoral cards. All these cards are initiated through internet. Now there are various government activities like e-tendering, railway reservation, air tickets. All are initiated through internet. So there is a scope of lot of crimes happening through these internet, and hence computer can be source of crimes in commercial, entertainment, as well as government activities. In 2018, a study concludes that close to $600 billion, now look, I repeat, close to $600 billion, nearly 1% of global GDP is lost to cybercrime each year. That means cyber crimes are causing a loss of about $600 billion. That is nearly 1% of global GDP to entire world economy. Now we will discuss what are the types of cybercrime. What are the activities which fall in the preview of cybercrimes? It includes, first is identity theft. Identity theft can be theft of any personal information of any individual through the network, through the computer and its associated network. Second is cyber terrorism. Cyber terrorism includes those activities of terrorism related activities which are originated through internet. It includes propaganda or any other terrorist activity which originates through the internet and its associated network. Third is hacking. Hacking is the very important feature of cybercrime. Hacking can be ethical, it can be unethical also. Some countries permits hacking there, and some countries completely bans hacking. In USA, hacking is permitted, but in India, hacking is completely banned. Fourth is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying may includes those activities in which an individual or a group of individuals is bullied through cyber crimes. Now, fifth, defamation. Defamation includes those activities in which an individual or group of individuals are defamed through internet or its associated network. Copyright infringement. Now, what is copyright infringement? Copyright infringement includes those piracies activities which cause loss to owners of holding copyright software rights. Basically, the owner of any software has a copyright ownership over its products, but some software programs or any people use pirated software and distribute is which causes loss to its owners. This is copyright infringement. Seventh is trade secrets. Trade secrets are also leaked through internet which can cause damage to a company. It is also a type of cyber crime. Now, last is harassment and stalking. Harassment can also be done through cyber crime, which therefore it is also included in cyber crimes. Now look, what are the laws governing cyber crimes in India? Law is very essential for any authority to deal with cyber crimes. In India, the Information Technology Act, also known as IT Act 2000, is an act of parliament notified on 17th October 2000. It is the primary law in India dealing with cybercrime and electronic commerce. That means IT Act 2000, passed, notified by Parliament on 17th October 2000, deals with the cyber crimes and electronic commerce crimes in India. It was modified in 2008 to make it more effective. So students, this is it from today's topic of cyber crimes, its types and laws governing cybercrime in India. So students, let us revise these topics. We will come with another offline videos of information practices. So students, thank you. Stay at home, stay safe. Okay.